Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Michael Lavi Abraham. I'm a farmer and I've been farming for some time now. I'm a graduate from KNUST, one of the best universities in Ghana. And over there I studied agricultural engineering. Farming has been a thing for me. I've had a passion for it since infancy, so after school I moved into farming full time. Over the years I've faced a few challenges, I've had a few experiences, and I've learned from people who are already into the farming, and I would love to share these experiences and challenges with you as we learn farming, crop and poultry on this channel. If you're a young girl or guy who's not starting your farming journey and you're a bit confused and you don't know where to go, I promise you this is the channel you need. To get all the information for your farming, please like, share, subscribe and comment to my channel. Thank you. See you guys later. Bye.